Hello teachers and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you so much for watching. My name is Alex, I'm a full-time English teacher and I would love to share my tips and tricks with you on how to use technology in your classroom. This is going to be another video in the Google Slides series and I'm going to show you how to set up a gap fill reading activity in literally just a few seconds. Thank you so much for watching. Da. Okay, so we are back in our drive and today is all about gap reading. This is what we are going to make. So you have your text and all you have to do is go to insert shape, which is the cloud, but you can choose any shape you want really. In the list, just try this one and go over the word and voila, here's your blank word and you can click on it, copy and paste, and you can drag and drop over another word and change the size of the shape to fit the word. Paste another word, let's put it on mother. And voila, and now you have your text. So you can ask your students to guess the words in the blanks or to fill in the gaps using a list of words that you can provide to them or print out or put on the walls in your classroom. Or you can have them guess what type of word it's going to be. For example, color the cloud in red if you think it's a verb, color the cloud in blue if you think it's a noun, etc, etc. Alright, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell so you get notification every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!